I'm a mom and yes, I drive. So today we're going to use the Jaecoo J7 SHS Comfort to go from one point to another because I'm gonna have my errands and go to the office kasi may kailangan akong tingnan doon. I wanna see how this car will be great for errands and also for business meetings. So first stop would be the laundry. So visit our laundry. Punta na rin kayo doon sa may Hemadi. That's also our business, but also, dito rin talaga kami nagpapa-laundry every week. Ayan, so kailangan ko ng tulong. Kuya Alvin, lagyan naman natin yung mga laundry. Ayan. So again, tingnan natin yung space kung kasya yung 4 na bags. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, kasya naman. Yan. Alright. Let's go! Kasama ko sa road trip na to ay si Ivana Banana. Ayan. At gusto namin i-introduce ang isa sa mga bagong characters dito sa YIB. Ito si Luigi!
Here we go!
Panindigan mo yan! To the laundry! Kinabit ko na yung phone ko dito kasi lubat na siya. So, very convenient na mayroong mga ports here sa likod. Since pupunta rin tayo sa office at may kailangan akong tapusin, pwede akong mag-draft already ng aking email before I send it. Then, it's easy for me also to charge my laptop. So usually, kapag mahaba yung traffic, it's good that I sit at the back para magawa ko lahat yung mga kailangan kong gawin bago ko pumunta sa isa pang point. So nakakatulong din siya para ma-save yung time and also mas efficient. There, I have this one, and of course my water. Ayan, so very comfortable dito sa likod. Makakatulog na ako. Ang lamig din niya. Magaling yata mag-drive tong si Luigi. Luigi. Pinaninindigan niya, guys. Comfort level, ayos. How about you, Ivana?
Hi guys! Ay, wala akong mic. Hello guys! So ito, very maluwag guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami nang nakalagay dito sa gamit sa pero maluwag siya. Very smooth lang din naman yung pag-drive thanks to Luigi! And yan, si Miss Yas. Unfortunately, hindi siya pwede dito kasi dadating na si baby number 2. Magkakaroon na kami ng another banana cutie.
Game. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa laundry. This is a laundry washwell. So nandito kami sa may Hema DQC. And kung meron kayong mga bulk na mga laundry, pwede nyong iiwan dito. 24 hours kami, guys. So drop by here. Ngayon, tutulungan tayo ni Kuya Kenneth dito. Demo. Teka. Ayan. Okay. Ay! So, na-drop off na natin yung mga laundry, pero I think it's time for a coffee break. Let's just get coffee inside, tapos let's go sa office. Tara!
The things I do for the love of joy.
I don't know.
Yeah! Ang aking belly is malaki na talaga. And we put more drinks on the cup holder. See you in the office. Now we're off. Yan! We finished getting coffee already. It's a quick coffee run. And then we're off to the office. Let's go! Tumutunog kasi may hindi naka-seatbelt.
Oh, it's me. I'm the banana.
able to go to the mall with my family. We use this car for the weekend getaway. Heather is buckled up. Mama is buckled up. Of course, si Pat. K-pop Demon Hunters. Dada. Say hi, baby. We took early this morning for errands before going to the office. So ngayon, we're off to BGC and I need to get there for a meeting. So guys, this is the last stop. Nandito tayo sa BGC. We have a meeting here. And nakita nyo naman that I was able to do my work here at the back very comfortably. Medyo naidlip pa ako. So definitely the space here works. Yung kanyang vibe talaga for business people is such a match for lifestyles like I have. So see you around. I will just go to my meeting kasi late na ako. Bye guys!